Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Microsoft 365 account for free. I suggest you to follow along with me to create your free account. So let's get started. Here are the steps that you need to follow to create your free account. First of all, you need to create a free email account. You can opt any free provider like yahoo.com, gmail.com or anything of your choice. And then you need to visit this link. I will put this link in the description section of this video. Once you go to this link, you will need to register with your email account which we have created in the first step. Once you are done with that, you will also require a phone number for your verification. It might be possible that this link might not work if you are from India or China. In that case, you can use a VPN plugin, or you can also follow the steps that I'm going to follow, because I'm from India and I will create my free account from India and using my Indian phone number. So don't worry about that. So let's go ahead and create it. First of all, we are going to visit that link. So go to that link. Once you go on this link, you will see this kind of pop-up. It says whether you want to view this website from the United States and use United States English or switch to India English. So if you switch to India English, so this is the page you will see, and if you switch to India, then you will not see the free option because this product is currently not available for India country. Or so what you should do instead of this, either use a VPN extension, or if you don't want to use VPN, then follow like this. Select stay in United States English. Select this button and here you will see the free trial button. So as you can see here, we were not able to see the free trial option, but here we can see the free trial link. So click on that. Once you click on that, it will ask you certain questions. First of all, it will ask you for an email. So here you need to provide the email which you created in the very first step. Click on next and then click on setup account. Since we are new to this, we are doing it for the first time, you need to click on setup account. Put your first name, middle name and last name. Provide a phone number. You can provide a company name or a company size. So I'm just going to give some random values. Then you need to select the region. So for now I'm selecting United States here, because you will not see India here because this is not available for India. So once you select that, you will need to provide your phone number. So you need to provide the country code and provide the phone number, and you will receive a verification code. So provide the verification code and click on verify. Once you do that, you need to create a business domain. So we will need a domain and it will by default have onmicrosoft.com. So I'm just gonna give it AppyChip. As you can see, it's available, so I have selected that. Now it will be like the domain will be appychip.onmicrosoft.com, and then you can create multiple user. So I'm creating one for me. You give a username ajit@appychip.onmicrosoft.com, and you will also need to provide a password. I'm trying multiple combinations, like there are certain password policies. You can follow that and provide your password accordingly. Once you provide the password, you can check or uncheck this checkbox and then click on sign up. So once you sign up, you will get confirmation details and it will say thank you for signing up with 365 E5 trial. And here, as you can see, the username is ajit@appychip.onmicrosoft.com. Click on get started and it will take you to a dashboard. Here there are certain steps like install Office, add domain, or you can skip this for now. Next thing, it will ask you, does your organization have a domain? So if you have, you can say yes, or else you can choose no. I'm choosing no as of now. Then the next thing is to add user. One user we have already created during the sign up process, so I'm not going to add more. I'm going to live with that only. I'm clicking on next, and this is the next thing we see. How do you want to connect your domain? I'm just gonna click on next, and then it is going to say like you can use Microsoft Teams to interact with your team members, but as of now I'm gonna skip this as well. At the end, it is gonna ask for certain feedback. You can submit it or you can skip this. So I'm skipping it, and this is the final dashboard I'm gonna see for the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So this is the initial dashboard. Once you are done with this, once this is done, go to portal.azure.com and you will see a welcome to Microsoft Azure pop-up. You can take a tour of the features or the options, or you can click on maybe later. Once you click on this, on the top right corner you can see the username ajit@appachip.onmicrosoft.com, and on the left hand side, if you click on this option, you will have Azure Active Directory. So you need to go on that. So here we are going to activate the free trial license. So you will see this page, and on the left hand side, if you see, there is an option called license. As of now, as it's Azure AD free. On the left hand side, look for licenses, click on licenses, and this is the dashboard you are going to see. This is the page you will see. As of now, no group assignment errors it has detected. The next thing is we need to activate, or activate the free trial. So on the right hand side, if you see, there are quick tasks. First option is get a free trial. Click on that, and then there is enterprise mobility plus security ES. So this is the thing which we are going to activate for free. Click on free trial drop down and you will see the activate button. Click on activate button. Once you click on activate button, on the top right corner you will see that it is activating, and now it has successfully activated. To check if it has been effective or it is completely activated, go to all products, and here you will see this 250 total and 250 available for enterprise mobility and security ES. This is one way to verify this. Another way is to go to portal.office.com. That is our Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and on the left hand side you will see security. Click on that. Here it will take you to a different dashboard, and on the left hand side you need to look for eDiscovery. So on the left hand side we have this eDiscovery. Click on eDiscovery and you will see this option. Like if it is not activated yet, you will not see this option of eDiscovery. So these are the two ways you can verify your free account has been activated. If you don't see it activated right away, don't worry, it might get activated in a day or two. So be patient about this. Once it is activated, you are good to go. So in our case, it is activated now. I hope you were able to activate your free trial with this video. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.